I mean, every time I watch 94 come in, he'd hit his brakes. He'd stop. Well, I watched him turn his car off.
Yep.
And then Ron was like, and he lets it get away with it. No, no, no.
I tried to stay in the corner. Oh, flapping.
You still got the best paint job in the place.
Hey, I was looking for best in show with the body shop.
Oh, yeah. When did you get the feeling something was going wrong?
Yeah, I bought a Ford. That was the first bad thing.
Okay. That's awesome.
Smile for the camera.
This is gold. Go ahead, keep going. Keep going. Say whatever you want. I'll bleep out what I don't want. There you go. That's all right.
Just got another car, guys.
Oh, damn, he doesn't like to lose.
Nice showing, though.
I was so mad. We're gonna go fix the car tomorrow and see what's up.
You in the figure eights tomorrow?
No, because we didn't run in the figure eight earlier.
Gotcha.
So we're just gonna see like what happened to it. Because there's a rear end hit, like I said, car turned off.
Right.
So it's got to be some battery issue, something pretty straightforward. And we'll put it in the shop and we'll run it next year.
Nice. Successful year.
There we go. One more tomorrow.
That's right.
Figure eight.
Try. Those are all the years that he won. And my thing is I saved the keys, all the winning cards.
The reason why I do it now, my mom is like, it's like her favorite year. It's better than Christmas to her.
I have 3 goats. I have Chip and Dale, and then I have main goat of all times. You met him already, and the goat.
She'll tell you the whole background. She loves it.
Yeah.
This is like the best thing. I probably wouldn't keep doing it if she didn't like it, but she makes me do it every single year.
A lot of mothers before their kids go out at night say be careful driving, but not you.
Yeah.
So you love it.
I love this. I look forward to my whole summer. That's my whole summer. And he threatens me every year too. He's not going to do it again, but I'm talking him into it. He's been doing it for 6 years.
Yep.
He's won 4 out of the 6. So when he wins, it's just. They hear me up in the stands, and there's a guy that goes there every year, and I know he dreads sitting next to me. So, because I just scream, and I bring my mom, and she's 96, so, and she's right there. She loves it too.
Actually, last year she bought my car. I wasn't gonna buy one. She went out and bought me one that was delivered here. And I'm like, oh, now I got to do it.
Usually mothers are like, hey, be careful when you go out there. She's like, go crush.
Oh, she brings my grandmother, my whole family goes, and then she brings all my friends over. We got a huge friend group. Everyone paints shirts, so everyone has the same shirt on. It says Crow Electric on it. So everyone's like, you can see everybody in the crowd. And then usually everyone comes in the pit. We're all in the pit around the cars. So she's like, it's all her. This is why she wants me to do it.
Were you scared?
Yeah. It's always scary the first time. Once when you get behind there, after you get your first hit in, then it's game on. There's no more scary. I've never been in a car accident, so you don't know what's going to happen. You don't know if you're going to, like, how it's going to affect you. You know, everyone has these braces on, neck brace and everything. And I just had a helmet and some goggles, and I just went in. The first hit, the adrenaline pumping, then it's game on. You don't feel anything. And all you do is looking back and you're just smashing cars. The harder, the louder the crowd gets, the more exciting and the more adrenaline that keeps pumping through your body. I know it sounds crazy, but it feels good.
How many cars do you have in this?
Two.
Two.
Yep.
You're running one.
Yep. And Vanessa's running the other one.
Does she know what she's doing?
We're gonna find out.
Well, let us introduce you to Vanessa McDonald, part 2 of the Crow Electric driving team, set to race Friday night, the first night of the Marshfield Fair. Girl, or whatever else.
No, she's involved. I think she'll do perfect.
You know, you're on Team Crow.
Team Crow, Crow Electric, baby, best electricians in the South Shore. Me and Andrew have been friends for like 6-7 years now. We've always been the best of friends. I would go to all of his derbies. We'd always be on Team Crow no matter what. So we're adding a new one. Hopefully I can help take home a trophy for Crow Electric. Like derby clothes to a dressing meals. The stereo's kick-ass.
Yeah.
And the AC's ice cold.
Okay.
I got nothing to worry about here. I'm gonna be cruising and listening to music.
Where did you grow up?
East Bridgewater. I was born in Brockton. Grew up in East Bridgewater. Brockton girl. My father used to do the Brockton Fair Demolition Derbies.
And let's just say this, Vanessa is not the kind of person you'd expect to see in a Demolition Derby arena.
No, I might be a new driver, but I'm not new to the sport, I'd say. I pulled apart this whole car by myself. I got majority of it done in a day. A couple more things to tweak, but I definitely say I know what I'm doing.
Have you been in a Demolition Derby before?
Never. No, I do follow it though. I go every single year and all of my friends do it. So I figured it was my time. It's my time to shine. Not very good at crashing cars. I am very good at driving cars.
Somebody must be giving you some sort of advice on what to do. 3, 2, 1.
Yeah.
Everyone backs into the pit, you know.
3, 2, 1. I'm just gonna hammer down, do my best. I'm definitely not gonna try to hide. This is my first one yet, so I'm gonna take it seriously. I wanna hit hard. Couple more things to tweak, but I definitely say I know what I'm doing. You either win or you don't. You go out there to win. There's no second or third place. You're either first or you're last. I definitely think I have what it takes to win this. I can feel it in my blood, my bones. I'm just gonna go out there and crush everyone. I'm not afraid. I know that being a female, all these boys don't want to get beat by me, but it's gonna happen. My name is Vanessa McDonald, and I'll be competing in the Marshfield Fair Derby 2022 this year.
Number 6, Matthews out of Bridgewater. Number 2, Ryan Price out of Marshfield. Number 3, Luke Smith, he's out of Marshfield. And then Ed is number 4, also out of Marshfield, David Price. Number 5, Jerome Jackson, Middleborough. Number 6, Matt Field. now because I'm with the winner of the first heat, Vanessa McDonald. Give her a big round of applause here. Let her know it. And we encourage you, everybody, to download Plymouth Rock TV. We actually did a driver profile on Andrew Crow and Crow Electric and Vanessa, part of the Crow Electric team. And let me just ask you right off the bat, this is your first time ever in a fender bender, an accident, anything, right?
Never been in an accident before today. Let me tell you, that shit hurts.
And your insurance just went up, so just let you know that right off the bat. How did it feel when you first took that first hit?
So this first hit, that was the shock, and then adrenaline set in, and I feel like I didn't feel anything afterwards. Now I'm definitely feeling it, but during, no way.
Well, the biggest shock of the night was when you got out of the car and showed all those guys who just kicked the you-know-what out of them. How did that feel?
It definitely felt great. I'm not one to be in the spotlight, so I still don't know how to take it, but I'm definitely excited.
And lastly, I want to thank you for watching Plymouth Rock TV. The entire time you were in there, you were watching all of our shows in the car, distracted, some might say, but you did quite well, right?
Absolutely. I think I did as good as I could have, and I'm really, really proud of myself.
Give it up for the Crow Electric team, Vanessa McDonald! Congratulations.
Hi, Sheila.
Hi, Sheila, right there from Crow Electric in the pink.
Harry's standing up. Look at Harry Mack. Biggest guy in the stadium. We love to see it.
And you're coming back Friday night, right?
I will be. I'll be back Friday night, ready to go. Hopefully to take another trophy.
There you go. That's what you do right there. Vanessa McDonald, Crow Electric. Go get them.